With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is, if summation r is equals to 1 up to n, sin x r is equals to n, then summation n is equals to n, cot x r is equals to n. Statement 2 is given here. The number of equation of cos x is equals to x is equals to 1 here. So we have the statement A, B, C, D given here. So we have to find which option is correct here. So the solution of this question is, so summation r is equals to 1 and up to n into sin x r is equals to n here, and from this we can write here sin x r x1 plus sin x2 divided by 1, and this is up to sin n here, sin xn here. So this is equals to n, and this is divided by, we have n terms here, so we have to divide this by n terms here. So from this we can write here, we know that sin is lies between -1 and 1. So our sin theta must be greater than or equals to -1 and less than equals to 1. So from this we can write here sin square theta must lie between 0 to 1 here. And so sin x1 maximum can be 1 here, as we can take the value of sin x as 1 from -1 to 1, and sin x1 is equals to sin x2 is equals to sin xn here, and from this we can say that sin this is equals to 1, as we have maximum value of sin x1 is 1 here. So we have given here sin x1 is equals to n, sin xr is equals to r. So we can write here, this is up to n terms here. So sin x1 is equals to 1. This tends to sin n r is equals to 1, and summation n is equals to 1 up to r here, and up to n and up to r here, cot n xr is equals to cot pi by 2. This is equals to cot pi by 2. Summation r is n is equals to 1 up to r here. So we get summation n equals to 1 and summation r cot x power n is equals to summation n by 2, or it is pi by 2 here, as we know that cot 90 is 0 and cot 0 is 1 here, and this is up to pi n by 2. So this is 0 into 0, as we know that cot pi is 0 here. So cot xr is equals to n. So this is our statement 1. So this is false here, as it is given to us it is equals to n, but it is equals to 0 here. So now we check for statement 2 here. So statement 2 is given to us, number of solution of the equation cos x is equals to x is equals to 1. So we check statement 2 here. So the number of solution here, so we can draw the graph for this, for cos function here. So this is something like this graph, and it's positive and negative both axes, and first it is decreasing then increasing, and here is a line that cuts the curve here. So this point is pi by 2 and this is minus pi by 2 here. Here we have minus pi by 2, and on both we get the cot value as 0, as we know that cot 90 is 0 here, and from this we can write here cos x is equals to 1, as we have defined here. So this is statement 2 is correct here. So we can say that statement 1 is correct and statement Statement 1 is false here and statement 2 is false here and statement 2 is true here. Now we check which option is correct here. So our option D is correct here. Statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. So this is the answer for the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.